It looks like a speed hill.
Dude, look how thick that thing is. That's a big old formation right there.
Isn't it?
I think it could just be part of the wall.
Right?
I can see really deep into the center.
See, and the Carol's Cave, dude, there's one like 30 foot tall where you could almost squeeze through.
Wow.
And I'd love to be in the middle of that formation. I feel like your chi would line up or some bull crap. You know what I mean? Like something special would happen. Wow, it's a lot to take in, ain't it? I just can't believe we missed all this. It's like, really, bro? We were impressed with that end of the cave, let alone this. It's a freaking, it's a train tunnel.
So I asked my dad, I'm like, if you don't wear a helmet, where do you get your car on?
Here's a cave salamander if you want to see him. Oh, he's hightailing it. His little butt's moving as quick as he can. What is it?
Is the activity?
Yeah, it's...
Drip. That's gonna